Hello guys, welcome back to the Discount Programs. It's me Rich here, and in this video I'll be teaching you and I'll be showing you how to create a website using HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. In the previous video we created a website which looked like this. It's my first website. The header we created using it HTML, using a Dreamweaver as a platform, and we created a title, head, and then body. We aligned it center, and the font it's showing it here, and we even created a header. And in this video we will be going more advanced and effective in our creating websites. So now if you want to change the background color of your body, means your web page, so in the body tag, go to the body tag, write background or write bg color and choose whatever color you want. For example, I want the color, choose a color picker, and I want my blue color to exist as my background. It's too heavy, and then press enter, click on save, and then click refresh button, and then you can see here your background color is been changed. Now I want to create it a gradient, so no need for that. And if you want to create a link of this website, then create, no need for a link. Okay, now I want to create it, I want to change the face, means I want to change the style. I click on the face and choose whatever face you want. For example, I want Times New Roman. Click on save and then click refresh. You can see your face is edited. And for example, I wanted brush script empty. You can see here your face is changed. Click on save and then click on refresh. You can see your face is edited. Now I wanna do like this. Now it's your website. Means now you want to underline this. So click on design. Okay, this feature is not available in the font, so we'll use another tag known as U underline. Click on this U and then drag it, make sure your content is merged beneath it, and then click save. Close it, click on refresh. You can see your content is underlined. Now I want to change the underline color of the underline, so click on color, choose any color you want. For example, I want it blue. Click on refresh. It's not working now because this feature is not available here, so just go here and then you have underlined it. Now I want to make it bold, so take B here and then drag it, cut it, place it here. See, you can do it like this here. You can see your content has become bold. And now you need to revert back this. So if you want to revert it, choose any color you want. For example, I want crimson colors. I want this color. Okay, click on enter, reduce the size, and then you can see here your color is become crimson. Now I want to change it to line. For example, I'll do it line, so it's become line. Now it's the size you can if I do it 10 and click on this size plus 10, this size is not available because I'm gonna do it 5. Okay, the size 5 is available. Click on this. You can see your size is edited. Now I want to create another tag. For example, it's my body tag, so I will do it right here. I will drag it up to here. I don't know because I don't want it to display that. So okay, now it's the header tag. After the header tag, we can if you want to leave some lines, click use the BR tag for leaving some lines. We have not edited any text here, so there will be no effect on this. Now you want to leave some lines here. Click on BR tag, the breakup tag. Click on refresh and then you can see here your line is, you have given some margin for it. So now it's after the BR tag you can use division. You wanna give an ID to your division. So for example, the ID is main. The ID, I wanna give the ID main body. Close it and then type any text you want. For example, this is the main body of my web page. So this is the main body of my web page. Then click on this. You can see your body has been appeared. So I don't want this head to appear here. So if you wanna delete it, you can delete like this. Then click save and you can see the main body of my web page. Now this div is created, and I wanna create a button. So to create a button, you can use a button tag. Make sure you give some space and margin here. For example, I'll give this. So I'll use a button for example. Okay, just a button, and then you can see, you can type here, click here, click here. So you created a button like this. When you refresh it, you can see your button is created like here. Now you want to assign some another web page to this button. So to assign it, you need to use a tag called form. Use form and click action. So for example, after clicking this button, you need to go some another web page. For example, you want to go to google.com or any other web page. So you need to drag that page. For example, I want to go to this page index. You need to copy this page and place wherever you have created your website page. So its URL is index. Make sure you do it .html prefix. So I'll do it index.html. It's done. Drag the form and then click here, refresh it, and when you click it, you can see your page has appeared. Index. I have created this type of page and it appeared here. So this way you can create your buttons. And if you wanna do any another web page, for example google.com, make sure you do the whole URL. For example, google.com/. Now you will be redirected after clicking. Okay, it's a wrong code. Click here. So after you click here, you will be redirected google.com because you are redirected, but I don't have internet connection now, so therefore you will not be redirected here. So make sure you put any web page. For example, I'll put index.html. Okay, I have put here it is, and then br. If you wanna give some more effect to your page, just put a / here like this. So it will give you more effect here. And now you wanna change the color of your button. You must make it content editable so that your button can be changed. And then form, you need to give accept charge set, click to UTF-8. This will directly sync your web page to your doctype HTML. If you put a dot here, this thing gonna happen. If you put a dot here, this red line will come because you haven't used it here. If you put it 16 and then remove the dot line here, just remove it and then click save, your red line will disappear. But if you put it 8 only here, it will directly sync with your meta chart set in the body tag. So, and now I wanna create a frame. Okay, then click on frame. Okay, not a frame, I'll create a field set here. If you create a field set, I've created a field set, so it's gonna appear like this. If in the field set I wanna create a paragraph, So paragraph, you need to give a class and paragraph. Okay, it's you have assigned a class and you wanna type anything. For example, I am a good boy. I like to code. I love code. And then you click on the save button and then go here. You can see I am a good boy, I like to code, I love programming. And now you wanna edit this. So I'm gonna show you this. This paragraph is created, and after you put this BR button, just remove this and put a simple BR. If So when you put simple BR button and this P has already merged BR in it, and you have even created a field set. So when you put a P division, paragraph division, it already has some margin beneath it. So when you click save, not this one, sorry, and you can see here. Now I wanna align this button to the center. So use this, use the button center, just cut it, paste it after it. So now, and one more thing that you have, for example, you assigned a tag center here, and after this button, so button is the list of the last tag, so it must be closed first, and before this center was closed, center tag was opened. So after the button it must be placed. For example, you create a division, and after that, okay, you created a division here, and after that you are putting under it another division. You are putting a P class under it, class. So okay, no need for class. So P is the least one, so it must be merged beneath. And if you again create a center, if you want to again create a center, you want to merge this whole into the center. So if you cut this and directly paste it here, that's nothing gonna happen, because it must be placed right. If you place here, there's nothing gonna happen, because your div and P are closed after this. So you have opened it above the division tag, so you need to close it beneath the division tag. So here you can do like this, and inside the division you created it's merged division tag along with the paragraph. Okay, so if you merge a division tag along it, so you can see here it's merged within along, and you have created a center tag here, so the button will be aligned at the center. So this way you can create any website you want, and for example you want to give some information. Now we'll be creating a list, and then again create a font, and then you assign any face. For example, I want Arial, I want the face Arial, and the color I want for my face, you can choose any color you want. For example, I want orange color for my face. Click on enter, and then size, you can align the size anywhere. For example, I want the size 5 pixel, so your size will come 5 pixel. Then in the font tag I want to create a list. So if you want to create an ordered list or unordered list, so first of all I want to create an ordered list. Li is a list, and then you can like do anything. For example, it's the item of list. You can save, and then you can see here your bullet has been appeared. It's the item of the list. So when you do it like this, your items will be appeared. And then again it's then unordered list. So if you want to create an ordered list, click on OL. It's an ordered list, and then just drag it here, just do like this. So you can see here your one will appear in it's the ordered list, so it will means like it will go to the numbers 1 2 3 on and if you create an unordered list like this, UL, and then for every bullet item you can use a li command for list item. So it's an unordered list. You created an unordered list like this. So here it's an unordered list. So, and after this you want to create a second item. For example, then again use li command. This is the second item. Okay, it's the second item. Now if you want to create like this, I love programming, second item, I mistakenly chosen this, click on the save button, and then you can see here your second item will appear. Now you wanna merge both the list again to beneath it, so just cut this, and after this just place it here. you can see here beneath the second your bullet will appeared, and after this, after closing it, you can use another one. For example, I wanna go supermarket. You can see, check it here, and then just undo your button, and then see, you can see here it's appeared. So I wanna edit it using Dreamweaver. See here it's opened again, supermarket. So after you, if you wanna merge these items here, you can use any way you want. And now this order list has been done. You wanna make it whole, you wanna align it center, so you can use here align equals to center. You can use it even here. See, this item will be aligned center. Now only the font will be aligned center. If you use this button center, if you use the center, the whole list will be aligned center. And then just cut it, use the option cut. After the font, you closed it after the, you opened it after the font, so you wanna close it before the font. Just click like this. Okay, it's done. Now I don't want it to be aligned center. And so that's all for this video. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.